Chime Credit Builder costs $0 a year, charges $0 in interest, and doesn't require a minimum security deposit. That makes it one of the cheapest credit builder cards you can get in 2026. By the end of this, you'll know what Chime actually costs, where fees can still show up, and whether it's the right card for building credit. Here's the direct answer. The Chime Credit Builder card, now folded into the newer Chime card, has no annual fee, no APR, and no credit check to apply. That means if you spend $100, you only need to load $100. There's no borrowing and no interest stacking up. That changes how this card works compared to normal credit cards. With cards from Capital One or Discover, you borrow first and pay later. With Chime, you move your own money into a secured account first, then spend from that. So what's the actual cost? Section 1. The obvious costs. There's no annual fee, no interest, no minimum deposit, no foreign transaction fee. That means if you only use the card for regular spending and keep money loaded, your cost can literally stay at zero. Section 2. Where fees can still happen. Chime can charge out-of-network ATM fees if you use an ATM outside its network. That's one of the few places cost shows up. And there's another hidden cost: eligibility. To get Credit Builder, you need a Chime checking account and at least one qualifying direct deposit. No direct deposit usually means no access. That's not a fee, but it is a requirement. Section 3. What you actually get. Chime reports to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Chime says some members have seen score increases of up to 70 points with on-time payments, but that depends on your full credit profile. That's the real value here. Quick recap. A. Chime Credit Builder costs $0 in annual fees. It charges $0 interest. It doesn't lock you into a big security deposit. Your next step is simple. If you already use Chime and get direct deposit, check if you qualify, and start with one recurring bill like your phone plan. If this helped you understand the real cost, like the video and subscribe.